again. I wanted to just show you the unboxing of this case, which I bought also at Best Buy Mobile. Just because I want to get a case for it right away. If I find the case is not great, I'll just get a better one. But this one seemed light and very similar to the thin case I use for my current phone right now. I'm usually very careful with my phone, so I don't drop it often. It has dropped a few times, but never has broken, so. And never has cracked either, so I guess I've been lucky. So I did see this in the store. They took it out for me to just see what it looks like. I don't know what these are here. Maybe it's something that helps do something. Anyway. Oh. So there's this foam piece with this plastic bag. Probably more wrapping than needed. But then there's this clear piece here. And then there's this piece that fits on the top. So the screen is here. Alright, I'll put it on. I haven't set it up yet. I'm recording this right after I made the other video, so. Okay, I'm hoping this doesn't need any instruction reading. I'm just gonna guess how this goes on. Oh. Oh, it just snaps on. There you go. That's not bad. There, protected. And this feels, it's like a medium hardness plastic. It's not as soft as my current case for my current phone. It's harder. There. It's too bad they cover this part.
Continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
Oops, I must have pressed something by accident. There. So this screen is exposed, but there's a lifted, or the the case. It's I think if it were to hit the ground, it would hit the case before it hit the phone screen. So that's good. And in here, looks like there's really no protection in here. So when you drop your phone, it looks like the screen will get hit. So hopefully you have your phone closed when you drop it or something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this case works. If it's not great, then I'll change. But actually my current case is not that much better than everything on the table. Plastic. For my Samsung Note 8. Yeah, this case is soft, not hard like the new one, but I mean, it seems to have done its job to protect the phone. I actually was using a battery case before, so I've only switched back to this maybe a couple months ago when the battery case died. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Actually, it's not much. This case is pretty simple. At least it'll just protect it from getting scratches. I'm not sure what else I can show here. That's just the outside of the box. yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up and um, leave a comment if you feel like it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.